First of all, guys, thank you for supporting us at this level. I have a surprise for you at the end of this video. So here's the next part of building Yoga Studio OS, which is your personal assistant. So we have automated the entire onboarding process of the students. So let me quickly show you how you can do that. So, okay, I will just cut that. From StudioOS, Students Tool, get onboarding link. This is the link which we are going to share with your students so that you will get the details accordingly. Yeah. So what you have to do, just you have to share this link to your students in any format or anywhere. Right now, I have mentioned the sample details of the Fitex Studio. So over here, you will get your own customized details like your own studio's logo and the details so that your students can see customized form for you. So the first name and everything, I will just mention that randomly over here. 1999. Let's say goal is fit for world and health condition is none. Let me just type that quickly. Emergency contact number. Then I give permission to be photographed or filmed during classes or for studios promotional use like social media, website, etc. So I give my consent. So after registering, it will generate the unique code. You can say that roll number as a student, and it will give you the student's ID here, and also it will add that in a sheet. Let me just quickly see that over here. So it said every details I have mentioned in a notes. Let's say health is none, emergency is destroy. This is this photograph consent. Yes. So I can see the details, and not only this, it will mail me or the students with the respective email ID. So let me just open that. So yeah, over here I get that. Welcome to Fitex Studio. The customized details. Booking your first. These details are right now is testing format. We can change it accordingly, or you can also change as you want. And here's the attachment, which is testing attachment, where you can attach your studio's information or the guidance. So here's the crazy part. Let me quickly tell you. Right now, we are opening this for all of you who is supporting us and wants to join this journey. So हमने सोचा है कि जब तक ये बिल्ड हो रहा है आप इसको ट्राई कर सकते हो. नॉट ओनली दिस, आप इसको लाइव यूज कर सकते हो फॉर अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए. एंड ये स्टार्ट होने वाला है एट द 5th of April. एंड सेकेंड, जो लोग भी हमें सपोर्ट करते हैं एट दिस जर्नी जब भी डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है, by giving their feedback so that we can improve it better, we will give you free not only demo but after development part we're going to give you approximately 3 to 6 months free of cost. Okay, that's what we have to announce. And मैं क्या करूँगा, इस वीडियो के लिंक में डिस्क्रिप्शन में अकॉर्डिंगली फॉर्म का लिंक दे दूंगा. तो इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड, help us to join and let's build it together.